Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Glamrock Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's Security Breach. It's going to be easy for beginners, and it's going to be awesome. Okay, short video, maybe about eight to 10 minutes, nothing more. And we're going to be using marker the whole time. You can use a pencil, pen, anything. You can use anything you want. So that's it. Follow along with me, and we're going to do something at the very end of the video that I'm going to tie up the drawing with. All right, let's do it. It's just going to be like a headshot, so real simple stuff. All right, go over here. And let's draw Freddy's hat first. We're going to draw a curved hat over here. Like the bottom of it. He's got like this little top hat on the top of his head. Circle. Another circle on the inside of that for kind of the brim of that hat. And same thing here. This is on that top part of the hat, right? It's the line. We're going to go over here, up. Curve down, curve underneath, there, so you see the top of that top hat. And fill in this hat right here. Line over here. All right. We got his hat. All right. I kind of have to fill it in a couple of times because this marker is pretty bad. I mean, it's like dead. I mean, like it's used up. But you know, it'll do the job still. I'm gonna curve right here. We're gonna find the top of his head. Curve on this side as well. Gonna pull down. Curve around here. Line over here, line over here. Outside the cheeks, right? Over here on this side, we're gonna find the front of his snout. Over here on this side, front of his snout. He's like a bear. Pulling straight in here, in, down, underneath, around here. Curve for the top of the nose. Curve in, up here. Over here, pull. Flatten it out. Pulling in, pulling in. Now let's kind of go into, well, I'm sorry, not his eyes yet. We're going to go over here, line, line, because he's an animatronic, line, line. He's going to have those things, and it's going to go into his ear, and his ear is like this flat flap kind of thing, curve right there. See that? It's like this flat, and then a curve on the outside. Line over here for the earring, because this version of him has an earring. And then we're going to go right here, pull in, up, curve. Same thing on the other side, but no earring on this side. Curve, like straight right there. Curve over here. It looks like the letter D, kind of. You know, like backwards. Inside over here, line, curve over here. Line over here. Line over here. Underneath. Underneath. for the eyes. Line over here, curve around. Line over here, curve around. Curve right here, because the animatronic eyeballs here are inside, like, you're going to see, basically they're shoved into the eye sockets of this animatronic. So you're going to see dark spaces around it. Curl, curve for the iris and pupils. And right here as well, right here as well. Line up, line up. Line here for the eyebrow, line here for the eyebrow. Line in, line in. Pulling downward here, curve around the bottom, and then pulling up for the bottom of the mouth. Same thing over here, down, curve, flat right here, up. Over here, and underneath as well. Fill this in, fill this in. Fill this in. Line over here. Line down. So now you have like a regular Freddy head for the most part, other than that earring. And what we're gonna do, well, let me draw the bow tie here. Curve, curve underneath here, and then fill this in. Gonna go on this side. Curve, curve. Fill it in over here. Fill it in over here. Line out over here. We're going to draw the face paint now. And that's going to be thinner lines, by the way. Thinner lines. Down. Out. In. Over here. Down here. Out. In. So that's going to be that's going to represent the face paint on Fozzie's face. And I'm going to have to duplicate that line again, because that's just the way the paint is. So you're going to have to follow that line. Relatively thin, by the way. Down here. And also down here as well. Line here, thin line here. He's got that paint underneath. We might be able to throw a little, let's throw a little color on him. But real quick. So I'm gonna go with the orange over here to find his fur area. And I'm going to go along most of it over here. All right. Gonna go over here, draw maybe like another one more like a beige for the mouth area. And the lower mouth area. I'm using Prismacolor markers, by the way. Don't forget, hit the like, by the way. The like helps the channel out. We are a seasonal channel, so this is our off season, so it's kind of hard to survive during this time. So what you can do to help out the channel would be to share the video. When you share the video with anybody, or at least hit the like or any of that, it really massively helps. It's more than you know, honestly. It helps so much. All right, let's grab a blue And is this a blue? No, that's like a purple or something. Grab a blue. I don't understand why. There's like a blue there. There's like a purple that looks like a blue. I hate that. Grab a blue here. Blue, yeah, here. Just to fill it in here. Right there. And I forgot blue for the eyes also. Just to put the bottom of the eyes here. Right on. Oh, I forgot blue in the hat as well. At least that brim, this not brim, but yeah, kind of in the brim. And then I'm gonna add an pink over here. Along that line has to be a pink line there. It's cool because this stage is like you're coloring your own coloring book, so it's really fun. I'm gonna make this earring that too. And that's pretty much it. That's Glamrock Freddy from Friday Night at Freddy's Security Breach. Like I said, if you like that, share the video and definitely spread the word about this channel. It's gonna be running I'm gonna be posting once a day all year. Talk to you later, okay? See ya. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website, but go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare, and that will give you at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much, and thank you so much, and yeah, see you soon.